Welcome back to Lifeline HMS. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to create and manage purchase orders in the pharmacy module, helping you maintain accurate stock and streamline supplier management. Let's get started. Go to the purchase order section in the pharmacy module. Here, you'll see a list of all previously created purchase orders. To create a new one, click on Create New Purchase Order on the top right. Start by filling in the supplier details and selecting the required medicines or products. Enter the number of units and choose the delivery location. You can also select from previously added suppliers for faster entry. Once you've filled in the initial details, click Submit. Your purchase order will be created, and you can now proceed to add medication details. Add the required medicines and review their pricing information. Continue adding batches and units as needed. Once you have selected all the products, click on the Add button to view the list. From there, you can specify the quantity and pricing for each item. Carefully review all information, then click Confirm. Validate all order details before finalizing your purchase request. After confirmation, click on the Approve button at the top to proceed with the purchase order. You can print the purchase order or export it for audit and documentation purposes. Once the order is received, you can update the system by clicking on Receive Stock. Enter details such as quantity received, any bonus packs, batch number, expiry date, and manufacturing date. You can also add notes related to the received shipment. After verifying all details, click Receive Stock to complete the process. This will automatically update your inventory and trigger payment processing workflows. You will then be redirected to the goods receiving section. Here you can view purchase order fulfillment details. To verify the updated stock, go back to the Products section. Open Product Record to see how received stock automatically updated inventory. In the Batch section, you can see that the inventory for that product has been updated. And that's how you can efficiently manage purchase orders in the Lifeline HMS Pharmacy module. Explore more tutorials to get the most out of Lifeline HMS. For any queries or support, feel free to contact us at info@lifelinehms.com. Thanks for watching.